Change the valve for rotary hip press. Firstly, prepare tools and remove the rubber roller. Please press start button and let the jump run to find out the special phase of chain and press stop button. And then you can remove the phase of chain. And then you can remove the chain. Find the two set screws and loosen them. Then you can remove the gear. Loose two screws off the other side of cabinet. Loose 4 screws and take it off. Remove the iron piece. Find 2 set screws and loosen. Remove the iron piece of fixing the roller. Remove the roller out toward the direction of red arrow. Second, remove the roller of entering the valve. Remove the roller for tissue paper and iron pieces. Remove the iron pieces on both sides. Loose the 2 screws and take it out marked by orange circle. Take out the screws marked by orange circle again. Loose the 2 screws. Turn the hand wheel to separate the valve from jump. Left hand holds down the roller and right hand holds down the gear bar to take out the roller. And then take out the roller from the valve. Thirdly, remove the roller for valve alignment. Loose the 2 screws of fixing roller. Also do the same on the opposite cabinet. Take out the long screws. And then take out the iron piece. Take out the roller toward the direction of arrow again. And then you can assemble the valve. Prepare parts and the valve. Install the valve according to the direction of arrow. Firstly, install the rubber roller. Insert the rubber roller into the valve. Put the roller onto the slot of one side. Put the roller of the other side and fix the position. Install the bearing with base. and fixed by 4 screws. Install the iron bar into the slot and tighten up the 2 set screws. And do the same on the opposite cabinet. Install the gear. Install the gear and make it to the same level with the roller. And tighten up 2 set screws. Put chain back on the gear. Loose the screws of the motor and move the motor toward work table. Connect the chains together and fix by the key. Move the motor back and tighten up the screws. Check if the chain is tightened enough or not. Install the roller of the fail alignment. Install the bearing with base and fix by the long screws. Tighten up all screws on bearings of each side in the cabinet. Adjust the long screws of each side and measure the distance, entering valve into valve. Install the gear bars at the same time. Count the gears and make sure both of the sides are the same quantity. Tighten up all screws of both sides in the cabinet. And tighten up all screws. Install 2 iron pieces for fixing the gear bars. Turn the hand wheel to enter the valve and make sure it's tight. Install the iron pieces and the rollers for tissue paper. Turn on the machine and check if the valve can run well. For more details, please contact Easty Limited or visit our website www.eastyltd.com.